about to get married. And I'm so excited to like have this forever.
Nope.
Good morning.
It's Lauren's day.
Yay.
Happy, what's another way to say wedding day?
Happy day of wedding.
This is the most energy. Good morning. Good morning, sister.
Hi.
Hi. Oh my god.
Hi. Happy
Good morning. 7:35. I woke up at 6:30.
Good morning. It's wedding day. We got your coffee, Lauren. It's so cute. Okay.
I love it. Is this what?
Yeah.
You deserve this.
So cute when we obviously outfit check for my private story. Just turn around.
Showing you guys the groom suite, but we're also leaving a little love note for Logie.
So sweet.
Oh, they got like dark room.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to be entertaining. Oh my god.
Okay, go practice. Oh, okay. So yeah, so we'll be waiting here. Okay.
So this is like where that mirror is going that says like Happy Wedding Day or like Welcome to the Wedding. And our guest book will be right here too.
Cute. It's so pretty.
Also when the DJ and stuff's in here, it's a lot less like echoey.
Yeah.
But two big floral arrangements here.
We're gonna film her walking just to make her mad. Because I know that's what Lauren would want if she was here.
So we're walking over the cufflinks.
Let me show.
Look at them. Okay,
It won't focus.
let
so
me
cute.
tell you the love story behind them. So whenever Logan proposed to Lauren, there was a fox right over there. So they got little foxes.
Oh, cute.
So cute.
Hey, I'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Be right back.
Yep.
Okay, we're walking in, making our delivery. Here's the note she left Logan, as seen earlier, in his little gift.
So cute.
So cute.
Yay.
What is it?
Okay. You can open.
Oh my god. Wait. Okay.
Just do a little bit right now, because it's big.
Yeah, like while Ellie's doing your
I knew you were crafting something. Oh my god. Wait.
Your makeup.
Ashlyn Hope. What the hell? Oh my god.
And there's handwritten notes in each one, but I don't know how long you're gonna
Get out.
I don't-
Like you can go through and
Yeah.
look at them and then read.
That's why it's gonna take you a while to actually read it.
Thank you. Wait. Oh my word. Do you want me to read yours in front of me or do you want me to wait?
You can wait.
Okay. I'll wait. Oh my god. My mom's gonna sob her eyes out. Mommy, come here.
I know. Like she's gonna die when she sees this.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
He's just saying good morning. We're gonna
Oh.
Go through and look at all of them. So
Should I
you can
look first and I'll go back and read them?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Wait, who all is in here?
A lot of people.
All your people.
Oh my word. Dad, look at this.
Oh, I can't. Oh,
Look at this. Ashlyn literally had like everyone I know write me letters and put them all in here. With,
I can't get over just the photo I've seen of the page, like from yeah, I can't.
yeah, she showed me stuff at dinner last night.
oh my gosh. Wait, how did you like get all these people's like phone numbers?
Or like I DM'd them on Instagram.
She
Oh
threatened
my,
us.
oh my gosh, the photos of Bradley.
I know.
He can't. Oh my gosh. Wait, Sarah, come here.
I was dying laughing whenever you're like, what are you laughing at?
Look at
That photo.
Oh.
I was
Keyword.
dying laughing.
This was like my next door
Russell?
neighbor best friend. That's Russell. That's
I know
Henry.
your whole family.
Next door neighbor's best
No,
friend.
Henry was my across the street neighbor growing up, and we were best friends. And like,
This was your first birthday.
I know. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. I love you. Thank you so much.
Of course.
What in the world? Dad!
She showed me last night.
Look at us! Look at us dancing!
I know. I haven't seen a lot of those
Oh,
pictures.
the original flower girl.
Look at Sarah!
I know.
These pictures, both of like.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Oh my
pretty.
goodness.
So cute.
Amazing in here. It's crazy.
There's no flowers in here yet, and it's gorgeous.
I know.
Okay.
Hey, Mom's worked so hard on the
I know.
flowers, too.
Thank you.
Yeah, so good.
It's everything's everywhere.
It like makes it
I
worse.
brought like a couple places and I wrote him a note and we went and put them in the room suite.
Okay.
If you don't want to go check that out.
Do you want to put these on right now?
Sure.
Okay.
Thanks. All right.
I just give her my jewelry off.
Yeah.
The body. I'm gonna give her this in a little while.
Yeah, thanks. Hi.
It's so pretty.
I know. Oh my god. I'm in shock. I gave all my notes away.
I was like, I need to play that. And I started listening to other shit.
I played
Well, I
our
was-
song last night.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Your happy day. Ooh, got extra hair even. Where they stay last night?
No, this is
I wish.
Hey girl, good morning. Hey guys.
What's up? How are y'all?
Good.
Good. Y'all look great.
Thank you.
I'm holding your place for you.
Oh, yeah.
Bring the photographer in with you.
Yeah.
Y'all survived the night okay?
Yeah, we did pretty good.
Good. Everybody's still around? Good, they survived. Yeah, I saw the dog went. Sometimes they give you get 2 or 3 right to give you.
That is
Where's the Oh. I was like mental breakdown because I was like, this is just not something.
Wedding day!
I can't even imagine. And then I felt bad asking. I was like, shh.
Are you excited?
Okay, let me
Oh, yes, I'm so excited.
Oh, shark.
Lauren, you look so beautiful!
Makeup is finished.
Look at the
Oops. We're vlogging on the big camera, so YouTube video coming.
chapel and we're married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Are you so excited?
I'm so
Oh, this is the last hair that has to be done. How excited are you?
I'm so excited.
Here are our flowers.
this ponytail is going to give me a headache.
Are you excited?
I can't wait. I like
You
want to
see
cry.
yourself? Look at the dresses.
No, that looks so good.
Hi.
I'm recording on accident. Hello.
Oh, Sarah's literally sitting on it. I'm about to get married! Everyone's ready. We're just peeking at everyone. There's Delaney. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm so excited to like have this forever. There's my mommy. Look how cute she looks. Oh. There's my sister. And there's everyone. Yay.
Nope.
I want to tag when people look at me. Oh, she seems busy. Oh my gosh, guys, the little girls, y'all haven't seen their dresses? No. They look like mine.
Adorable.
Oh, do you want to sit out there and tell the little, for Danielle and Aubrey and Ainsley and the little girls to come in here? Yeah. Yeah, you're nice. Oh my goodness. Oh. The dress looks beautiful. I love you so okay, really fast. I love you. Oh my goodness.
Look at these princesses.
Beautiful.
gonna do this. Can we kiss? Hi.
Ashley, who's that?
Fake, Ryan. You're fake.
Oh my goodness.
Look at him, he's so excited.
Hi, baby.
He's like,
Oh yeah, right.
Mommy. Right?
We have to dissect.
look at these curls, his blonde hair.
Melissa, you look Yay!
You dance for us?
Yay!
Wyatt.
Oh, you're reading your outfits here. Oh my goodness.
Oh, we get clothes on?
Make sure you remember to
He did a spin. He's getting like shot.
Why are your ears?
Good job.
It is my honor to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Logan Frazier.
Congratulations. Yep.
And Mrs. Frazier.
Ooh.